Hello students, hope you are fine. Today we'll read the poem Geography Lesson. Geography Lesson is composed by Zulfikar Ghosh. Now I'll tell you about the poet. Zulfikar Ghosh was born in March 13, 1935 at Sialkot in India, which is now in Pakistan. He is Pakistani American author. He has written several novels, poetry and critical essays. Starting with the poem, when the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style. When the jet sprang into the sky, in this stanza, the poet describes the scene of the city from an aeroplane, which is flying high in the sky. He says that it's become clear to him why the city is developed according to the necessity of the people and not as per proper planning. When the poet looked at the city from the sky, it seems unplanned and unorganized. It does not have any particular style or design. Continue with the next paragraph. When the jet reaches 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the river ran and why the valley were populated. The logic of the geography, the land and the water attracted the man, was clearly delineated when the jet reaches 10,000 feet. In these lines, the poet the, described when the aeroplane flew at the height of the 10,000 feet above the ground. He found out the cities are located near the river since people prefer to stay near valley. He clearly understood the logic of the geography and got to know the people settle on those lands where the water is easily available. The basic necessity of human life is water, and it is required for various important activities such as agriculture, business, etc. Continuing with the third paragraph, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across the city, and to kill. From the height, it was not clear why. In these lines, the poet wants to say when the plane reached the height of 6 miles, the earth looked round. The poet found that the earth was more water than land. He understood the reason because the earth has more number of seas than the land. However, one thing the poet could not figure out why the people on the earth hate each other. They have built walls of hate across the cities to kill each other. Let's talk about new words with their meaning. Inevitable. That means that cannot be avoided. Haphazards without plan or order. Delineated means shown. Now we will continue with the summary. In this poem, the poet has described the scene of city from the jet. He finds that cities are not neatly planned and are disorganized. He understands that water resources are the main reason for the people to settle near the rivers. As the jet moves higher, he noticed that people have created boundaries of hate among themselves. These are some questions to check your understanding. Hope you will like my video. Have a good day. Thank you.